Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add 60-second story on Instagram. First you need go to your Google Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app, and then go to your home screen and open the Instagram. Click on the um, icon, then just click on the your story. In the top we have your story. Click on the plus, and here set the story um, 60 second and more, and just select this to our story, and you can uh, just click on the arrow here. Here set the privacy parameter of our story, and then just click on the share blue button on the button on screen. Click on this and you added the 60-second story to Instagram stories. And this all for this function today, and goodbye.